Students, you have listened so many times about the question, but here is the word question tag. What is the meaning of tag? Let me see about the tag. What is the means of tag? Okay, here you have listened the question like when do you eat, why do you eat, why do you eat. These are the question, but here is the word tag. What is the meaning of that? Now we take one statement that we you read English. The word is you read English. Okay, these are the statement. And one other sentence, you did not read English. You did not read English. These are also the statement. Okay, you read English, this is the positive statement, and you did not read English, this is the negative sentence. Here is no question. Okay, but here the statement, first statement, you read English. What is the meaning of that? तुम इंग्लिश पढ़ते हो. Okay, तुम इंग्लिश पढ़ते हो, this is the statement. And the second one, you did not read English, this is the negative sentence. This is the positive and this is the negative sentence. In firstly, anybody is saying you read English, that time पढ़ते हो ना, तुम पढ़ते हो ना. What is the meaning of that? That means they want to confirmation. पढ़ते हो कि नहीं पढ़ते हो. In second sentence, you did not read English, तुम इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ते हो ना. So that means here is also na. That means here anybody wants the confirmation, तुम पढ़ते हो कि नहीं. And in this case, in this time, we give the answer. Okay, you remember that when the statement is positive, that time we make negative question tag, and when the statement is negative, that time we make positive question tag. Okay, now look its formula. Any statement the positive, that time we make negative question tag. Okay, and in a negative question tag, what? And when the statement is negative, on that time we make positive tag. Okay, now look here, the positive question tag, affirmative question tag, it is also known as the, what its form? Verb plus subject plus question mark. What its form? Verb plus subject plus question mark. If the statement is negative, use positive question tag. We also know about that. Look the example, she is not clever. Here is the what? Auxiliary verb. And when we make question tag, we use after the statement firstly comma. We learn about in the notes of the question tag. We use comma, and then after we use auxiliary verb, and then we write down the subject or pronoun. If the subject is given here, then we convert it into pronoun form, and already given the sentence in a pronoun form, then we write as it is. Okay, and at last we put the question mark. Understood? Now look the next question, I cannot help you. Here is what? Can. What is the meaning of that? This is the modal auxiliary verb. I cannot help you. On that time, when we make question tag, we use firstly can. This is the model of the river. And then after we will write down the pronoun. At last we put the question mark. Okay. And next, number 3, Ram has not taken tea. Ram has not. Here is the has. What it right here? Has. Which tense is it? This is the perfect, present perfect form. Has, have we used that time, na? Present perfect form. Ram has not taken tea. This is the negative sentence. Okay. Ram has not taken tea. We write down has, and here is the Ram. Ram is what? Subject. And when we make the question tag, then we convert Ram into the form of the pronoun, and Ram is a boy, so we write down in the place of Ram he. We use he pronoun, and last we write down the question mark. Okay. Now next example is Ravi does not run fast. Ravi does not run fast. Here is the does not. Okay. So we use here also given the not. Okay. In sentence, in statement has also the not. Then we don't write not in the question tag. If not is given, then we don't write the question tag. Okay, you also remember about that. Ravi does not run fast. We write down does, and then after we use Ravi is the boy, so we write down here he, and then last we put the question mark. Okay, you also note down if the statement has the subject, a noun, make it in a form of pronoun. Okay, students.